I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April the 22nd to April the 30th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yung sa ating kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. So, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pasensya na po kung medyo late tayo ha, dahil alam niyo naman pag mahal ng araw, pumupunta ang mga practitioners sa iba-ibang lugar, and I did my part para at least ma-enhance ko pa ang ating gift at mabigyan kayo na mas madami pang services, no? So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, Cancer. Magsimula na tayo. Hindi natin alam, para itong Aries, no? Chances are baka may Aries kayong, yung person nyo is an Aries. Check the energy or the readings of Aries, no? Hindi natin alam kung are we going to step back, are we going to move forward, maglalako na lang ba tayo, are we going to wait for the person and be stuck in here, no? Maraming bagay ang nangyayari ngayon na hindi natin mawari kung ano ang gagawin natin. Kung pwede lang itulog na lang, kung pwede lang, sana pagising ko okay na ang lahat. I feel like meron tayong mga anxieties, sleepless nights. No wonder kung meron tayong, hindi masyadong maganda minsan ang mga timpla natin. Meron tayong mga mood swings. We can't even function well, no? Probably sa loob ng isang araw, no? Nandiyan yung ang dami natin gustong gawin pero wala tayong nagagawa. Is this depression? I don't know. Is this anxiety? Probably. No? Or is this just pure confusion? I think na meron din contributions kasi din si person. Now, why you are feeling that way. However, meron ka rin namang contributions why you are also on that situation. Now, with the Ace of Cups, the Empress, and the Two of Pentacles. So, iniisip ba natin na mahal pa ba tayo ni person? Iniisip din natin na baka kasi meron ng iba si person. Ayan. You feel like siguro nawawala ang init, focus, the person, nawawala din ang kanyang attention sa iyo. Hindi naman kasi ganun siya dati. So, you feel like there's sabihin nating changes na nangyayari, and the changes is not even positive. So medyo bothersome at medyo naaligaga tayo dahil hindi natin alam kung saan nakukuha ni person, kung ano yung pinaghuhugutan niya, bakit ganito yung mga changes na na nangyayari sa situation ninyo. Parang nagiging clueless tayo sa mga situation, and pag tinatanong siguro natin, nakabulya o hindi natin makausap na maayos. With the Nine of Swords, there you go, sleepless nights, and the Emperor. So parang feeling natin ang mainly person sa atin lately. Kumbaga, anong ginagawa ko? Nagtatanong lang naman ako. Ano bang masama sa pagtatanong? parang irritable, no? Bukod sa init ng panahon, lagi din mainit ang ulo niya. So kaya nandun yung question mo na, mahal pa ba ako ni person? Ang dami, parang ibang-iba naman kasi, hindi na rin nakakatuwa, no? Kung how your person treats you with the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So, chances are, gagawin kong literal itong 3 cards na ito kasi parang papasok ito, no? Lagi ba kasing wala si person kaya medyo iniisip mo meron tong kinahuhumalingan na ibang tao? Wala pa naman ako nakikita, although siguro yung attention niya nasa ibang bagay. Hindi ko pa makitang tao, no? Pero yung attention niya siguro nasa ibang bagay. Baka meron itong merong hobby na nakikita, no? Or sadyang busy siya, either pagbabasa ng libro, pagkukumpuni ng kung ano. So far, again, wala pa ako nakikitang tao, no, na yun yung pinaglalaanan niya ng pansin. One thing's for sure, pwede sigurong iba, no, iba ang hopefully, let's cross our fingers na sana ito ay isang peace lamang, no. Baka naman kasi ito yung, parang yung kapatid ko. All of a sudden, nagising siya na gusto niya mag-alaga ng isda. And then, he watched, videos about a certain, how to breed fish or how to, take care of fishes. And then, doon na siya nakafocus. Nagulat na lang kami, ano nakain nito? So, parang ganon. I feel like, hopefully, sana ganun. Kasi yung passion nandoon yung sobrang focus, no? With the Hermit in here and the 7 of Swords. Oh, wow. So, ito na ba? Kasi nakakita ko na medyo nagsisinungaling na or meron itong, siguro yung iba sa inyo ito yung ayoko makita. The 7 of Swords. Meron pa. Kapag nakita ko dito no, I don't, hindi siya Hierophant 7 of Swords, Magician, and the Fool card. Ayan, siguro yan. Pag nakita ko yan, medyo oo na ako. Pero I feel like meron na dito mga pagsisinungaling. Kasi 7 of Swords is actually a thief in the night. No? Para kasi meron ito mga bagay na kinukuha, tinatanggal, baka naman bisyo din, no? Pwedeng sugal, pwedeng inom, no? Or napapabarkada. But it kind of make me feel na nagsisimula na rin itong si person na maglihim. Medyo kinakabahan ako dito, ha? Tingnan natin. One thing is for sure, medyo hindi na siya nagsasabi na buong katotohanan. Meron na siyang mga alibis, no? The Hierophant, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, pero kasi the Hierophant, somehow, no? Kasi the Hierophant in traditional tarot, may kinakausap siyang dalawang tao to make amends. So parang, is this person weighing in? Niloloko? Or, no, the Hierophant is not manloloko. I want to get more cards here to make sure. The 6 of Cups and the Page of Swords. So I feel like meron itong pinangako ang tao dati na kailangan niya lang i-cater yung time na yon, no? It may be a tao, yeah, I feel like this is more of a tao na nangako siya pero kailangan ko to pa rin yung pangako ko doon. Kaya medyo stay put ka lang dyan, no? It could also be a family member with the Hierophant. So parang sinasabi dito, magstay ka lang dyan. Tatapusin ko lang or gagawin ko lang, no, yung pre-promise ko dito sa tao na ito. Kasi with the Page of Swords, nangako na ako no. Kumbaga, I made an oath. I made a pact, no, na this is what I'm going to do. So medyo clueless tayo kung ano yun, but let's get some more cards, no? Kung ano ang masasabi ng universe sa situation natin. Baka kasi napapraning tayo sa mga nangyayari, no? Biglaan kasing nawala ang init ni person. With the Ten of Swords and the Three of Pentacles, clarified with the Sun. I think the negativities kills the, kills the hope, no? I think that we need to think of, siguro bigyan pa natin ito ng chance, ng time, para mag-jump into conclusion. Kasi medyo nalalasan tayo ng sarili nating pag-iisip. Because of the anxiety, because of, wala tayo kasing idea. But I feel like whoever this person na pinangakuan nila is expecting a lot from them. No? And they also do not want to fail that person. It just so happened na yun nga, medyo napabayaan tayo. And hopefully maayos, yun na lang siguro ang ipagdasal natin, na hopefully maayos niya na kung ano man itong pinangako, no? Para at least maibalik na sa atin yung attention. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, because your person is not putting some efforts on you, medyo may mga bulong tayo, no? Na parang nadidemonyo ang ating isip at sinasabi na, hoy, yung person mo, no, nagtatago, or yung person mo may ginagawa something at, behind your back. With the Hierophant in here, I can assure you that yes, there might be lies, there might be some white lies. A lie is a lie. Pero hindi naman ako nakakita na something to hurt you. But I feel like it is required. I feel like this could be a promise to their sister or a mother, no? Or I feel like medyo malayong kamag-anak na rin. But kasi parang hindi ako nakahindi. Nagkaroon ako kumbaga, na kompromiso ako and nagkahiyaan na I need to, no? Fulfill my promise. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Cancer, pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, no? Pabaylan TV, dyan po ako nagla-live. So pwede po kayong manood dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? For your reference. So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Leo. I am seeing Aries, Capricorn, and Cancer. Baka kapwa Cancer ito, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.